Hi and welcome. Today we're going to create the UI for the elf system we built in the last video. Let's get started. The first step will be to create the script that will handle our UI. So we'll create no behavior that we'll call elf bar UI. Double click it. Once inside, we will make a reference to an image. Make sure to choose the one from Unity Engine.ui. Will be our fill image, and we'll make one simple method, set UI, where we will pass our elf and our max elf. And here we'll calculate a value between 0 and 1 to use in our image. So we'll cast our elf as a float divided by max elf, and we'll say fill image that fill amount equal value. The next step will be to modify our player script. Just make a field, serialize field, private elf bar UI called elf bar, and we will simply call, once our player takes damage, elf bar dot set UI, and we'll pass our elf and max elf. Save, and let's go back to Unity. The last step is to make the UI itself. We'll right click player, UI, make a canvas, and make it world space. And we'll need two images, one for the border and one for the fill. We'll make our canvas smaller and center it on the world, and make our border image stretch our canvas. So we'll click here, maintain Alt, and left click on this one, stretch. Now we'll move our canvas above our player. We'll use the rect tool. And we'll make another image for the fill. Same, left click, Alt, left click. And now we can drag our image. The fill is the blood, if you make blood, and the border is the border. We can see that the blood is above our border, so to fix that we can simply change the order in the hierarchy, and it's fixed. Now we can set up our script. So on the canvas we will drag elf bar UI and slide in our fill image. Then on our player we need a reference to our elf bar. Before going in play mode, we will first select our fill image and select the image type to be filled, the fill method to be horizontal, fill origin left, and fill amount, we can see if we move it, the value is decreasing. That's what we are using in our script, if you remember. And if we change this value, the bar is moving. Let's go into play mode. Let's test everything. So if we go in the main camera and we set 5 here as the damage to deal, we can see the player has 20. If we hit him, we should leave him at 15, so 55%. The bar is at 55. If we hit him again, we will be at 50. The bar is at 50. And it's working. I let you implement this for the enemy by yourself. Our health system is now complete. I hope it will be helpful in your next project. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what could be improved or if you need any further clarification on any of the topics I covered. I'll be happy to assist you. See you soon. Bye.